I am looking on the very first page of the review packet. You still with me in this adventure? And that is looking at problems number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, or 8. What do we need to see? Those of you who haven't even done anything on it, I'm not really curious about what you're doing. I want to see somebody who's put some effort into it. Is there any of those you want to see? Yes. 38. Oh my gosh. Okay, thanks for going with 1 through 8, but I'll go with 38.
You said 38.
Find the slope between that one. Perfect. All right, number 38. You want to copy this down because you haven't done it yet? That's fine. Remember our slope equation is this. Is that okay so far? And then 38 says, hey, I have this point, 3, -8, and I have this point, 6, 1. I got x1, I got y1, I got x2, I got y2. Let's plug them in. So I get 1 minus -8 over 6 minus 3. What's 1 minus -8? 9. And then that's over 3. So I have a slope of this again 3, which I think is an answer. B. Ooh, it's squeaking. B. All right, I guess since Sophia opened it up to any of them, what else would you like to see? Work out 2 more problems. You want to see them, and then I'll give you some more time to work on them. Yeah. 2, 5.
What did you say?
She's mumbling. Just go with it. All right. So solve the compound inequality and solve. Okay. 25. Okay, so I'm going to solve each of these. So on this one, I'll subtract 10 first. I get 5x is greater than 0. Divide by 5, so x is greater than 0. Cool. Add 7 to both sides. 7x is greater than 21. Divide by 7. Okay. So this is a compound inequality, right? So let's see. I have everything right? 7x minus 7. 5x plus 10. Oh, okay. So if I have 0 here, I have an open dot. I have 3 here. I have an open dot. Oh. We have a sign incorrect on there. I would say the sign that is incorrect on there is this probably should be this, which means that, which means that, which means that, which means that. So I think we had made an error when we printed it off. I'm sorry. Now Oliver's going to be mad.
We're not going to start complaining.
You kidding me? All right, why don't you take about 10 minutes and work on some more. Work until you need to ask a question. So I get done talking. So I did your final. It's printed. I did the answer key. So Monday, you have a front, back. It's like 38 questions. And I will tell you, like, there's questions on there like this. Like, how long is it going to take you to do that question?
Like 2 seconds.
You're like, dude, I can do that all day long. So that's Mondays, and then on no, you subtract 6. Good job.
6.
Oh, okay, cool.
So that's
Wow,
like
that.
that.
Was my
Oh my god, I completely forgot to do that.
Oh, I guess it'll take you a while. So then we have our final. Where'd our finals go? Final on. We are what period? 5.
5.
What period did we take it? Oh my gosh, are we at the very last final?
Shut up.
Shut up. So then on Thursday next week, the very last final we have a part that we will do on Schoology. Okay, now I will tell you that this one on Monday is designed to take 25 minutes. I'll give you the entire period for it, so if you need extra time or you have time and a half or anything like that, I made this to take 25 minutes. I'm giving you everyone the entire period. Make sense? So you nail it. This right here is designed to take 40 minutes. Okay? If that takes 40 minutes, you have a 90-minute period to take the final. You get more than double time there and just about double time there. Okay? So, I can assure you, oh, Mr. Sharp, I get extra time on everything. I know. That's why I made it worth 40. So I already built in your extra time. Okay? That's the same for all the classes. Okay? Very few classes that design their final to take 90 minutes. I don't know. I've seen some biology classes going, yeah, here's 477 multiple choice questions. You're like, oh, can't do this. A tree has shade. Yes. Blue is a color. Yes.
Is it on, are we doing,
Sure.
okay, is it 2 different days or just your?
Yeah, so Monday is its own test.
Oh, Monday.
And then Thursday next week, we will have the other part. Yeah, buddy. Okay, so 12:25, we will come back. Let's have you work some on this review packet, and we will come. Number 11, good plan. All right, number 11 says this. We have 2x minus 4 over 3x equals 16 over 9. All right, so we all know we don't like fractions. So what would happen if I multiplied this by 9, this by 9 over 1, and this by 9 over 1? What's going to happen there? Do I cancel my fraction? Okay, so let's do the math. 18x minus 12x equals 16. Oh, cool. No fractions. Subtract those, so that's going to give me 6x equals 16. So x equals, divide both sides, 16 over 6, which is 8 over 3. And then 8 over 3. Yay. And I don't know why they put 8 over 3 in the fancy brackets like this. Not quite sure, but what else did we see on this packet? Yeah.
Number
13. Okay. Can I move off this? Waiting. All right. Number 13. We have P is equal to 2B plus 2H. And we want to solve for B. So I want to get this all by itself. Okay? So subtract 2H from both sides. Is that okay? And then I divide everything by 2. So B equals P over 2H all over 2. Is that one of the answers? Please be. Yay. Is that C? I think. What else have you seen on this review you would like to go over more? All right, why don't you take 5 more minutes, work a little more, and we'll come to anything you might have a question on. Go ahead. 18, you got it. Okay.
I want to adopt it.
All right, number 18, here we go.
Okay.
So first thing I would do on this one is I'd go ahead and just subtract 1 from both sides. So you get 3p, still an absolute value, equals 3. Is that okay so far? Then remember, absolute value is split into 2 problems. So we're going to have one being this and one being this. Is that okay? So then I'm going to say, okay, I can divide by 3, so that's going to give me p equals 1. And then this one, divide by 3, p equals -1. So we have 2 answers there. And it's C. All right. What else? What do you got, Oliver? 12? Number 12. We have n minus 11 over 2 equals 4. I'm going to multiply both sides by 2. So n minus 11 equals 8. Add 11.
Hold up. Did you?
Is that all right? Yeah.
Number
7. Alright, so let's combine like terms. So I have this on the same side. Then I have this, and this on the same side. So it's 11. That's 8 minus 4k. Is that okay so far? Alright, let's see. Maybe add 4k over here, add 4k over here. So I get 8 plus 8k equals 8. Subtract 8. So 8k equals 0. So k has to equal 0. Cool. Hey, it's okay to get an answer of 0, right? Because 0 is a number.
But it's 8k.
We'll divide each side by 8.
I got error.
0 divided by 8. You probably went 8. You probably went 8 divided by 0. Top number first. All right. So just be aware you can get the answers that are 0. Okay. Sometimes you guys freak out. Answer of 0, no solution. It's like, I know there is a solution. Happens to be 0. Anything else? Yeah.
Could you try to do 15?
I will try my best.
What? No, I didn't do it. What are you doing? I think the baby's
That one?
Yes, sir.
All right. I'm just going to cross multiply. So I get 12 times 9 equals 6 times A. 12 times 9, let's see, 9 times that, that's 18, carry the 1, 108, equals 6A. So I want A by itself, so let's divide each side by 6. So I'm going to get A equals, let's see, 1. Let's see, that's actually just going to reduce to 54 over 3. Does that reduce any further? Yeah, it does. So 54 over 3, that goes in there once. 18. Cool. All right, rest of the period's yours. We're going to continue going over this tomorrow, so I would say put maybe about 10 minutes worth of effort outside of class on it tonight so you have some justification.
Are we doing this tomorrow too?
Thanks for listening.
No, I'm